This has got to be the best coffee maker ever. So I use it with my reusable pod, but I just fill it up with a jug. It makes 1 cup, so I just made this with it. And this is removable, which is cool. And this doesn't go in the dishwasher. Oh, a little dirty in there. That doesn't go in the dishwasher because it will break. It's quite brittle, but it's easy enough to just wash. Yeah, honestly, I use this thing every day. So far, I've had it for a few months. The only thing that's kind of frustrating about it is that this is like kind of hard to click down, but not hard, but it's like, you know, sometimes if this pod's in there wrong, you feel like you're gonna break the damn thing. But overall, super reliable, and I would highly recommend this. This is some of the stuff in my pink kitchen that I'm using. Love it. It's been a daily driver for mine.
Parce que ici j'ai mis de l'eau, puis là il y a une colle, là à chauffer, là je la ferme, elle clignote, puis là regarde, il coule 2 gouttes, puis c'est tout, puis là elle reflash, puis c'est fini, je comprends plus rien.